Hello viewers, I'm Rmsa and NLTV. Moise Chumongla Pom Corporate Time Gajanai Dibo. Kohimade Friday din Rmsa 2016 Beige Teachers Canberra Andolan Kurado dos din de Gushishe. Court law verdict hisab educators Canberra regularization implementation kurubule mang kuriase. Teachers Canberra koishe legal clarity dia pichiribi sarkar ba deri kuraba teachers kan insecurity aro hardship samna kuriase. Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan Bhitore appoint kura 2016 Beige Teachers Canberra duk samna kura express kurishe. Rmsa 2016 Beige Teachers Association President Imli Temjen aro Association Spokesperson Renbemo L Patton bra Justice Napatak piche najabo kuishe. IB detail bra sai sabo.
We are very, in a way, very happy, I should say, that an advisor from our department visited us and shared his solidarity with us. Yes, he also shared that the government is also trying best to look into our issues. So that was what he mentioned. With regard to the review petition, they are, as of the today's response from the advisor, the government is not uh, of the stand that they are not going to withdraw the review petition.
Yeah. If I may add to that question, when we or the government talk about this review petition, I just want to put forth this particular question to the government. Last year, 2024, the Supreme Court has listed out our case to settle the issue outside the court between the government and then the Rmsa teacher. So accordingly, we waited at the Lok Adalok office the whole day. They did not come, but have given this written assurance that the decision and order, they will wait for the decision and order of the Supreme Court. It is clearly written here. That means the Supreme Court verdict is already out. It is also kind of another cheating. They are not upholding the letter they have forwarded to us. So when we talk about review petition, they are not serious. They are not at all serious about our case. It is just that it is a delayed dictates. I'm repeating this again and again. If the government is very much serious about Rmsa issue, they could have implemented way back in 2022. Even after that, the challenges in the Supreme Court, that also was dismissed. And coming to this letter also, they did not comply with this letter again. So it is just a continuous process to delay our matter. So let us not try to delay the issue. Sooner or later, the government has to act on it. So please give the right and justice to the teachers. A lot has happened during this process of agitation. You see, like my member had stated, there is a lady teacher from Voka district who had a miscarriage. There are teachers who had lost their near and dear ones, their husband, their only sons and daughters. See, a lot of things that happened. And some of our member had even hospitalized during this course of agitation. It's physical exhaustion, mental exhaustion. It's already 2 days. It's already 10 days now. See, this is a time for the government to wake up and hear the plea of the Rmsa teachers. We never intended, to see it like this. It is not an overnight agitation. It has been an accumulation of these 9 and 7 month years, of distress, of untold hardship that have come to this far. So let me be very clear that if I speak, I think I'm speaking on behalf of all the Rmsa 367 teachers, that until and unless they implement the court verdict, that is the skill bay. Until and unless we get the skill bay, we are not going back home, no matter how long it takes. The only thing we are, holding the hunger strike is on the advice of the NSF. If not, we could have already entered into the hunger strike. We were invited by the government at the Home Commissioner's level So we went and attended the meeting, and from there they proposed us this constituting a committee, and we flatly refused it. You see, after a long year of struggle, just to form a committee, I think that is not wise on the part also. So we flatly rejected it, and they had sought some time to give them so that they also can come up with some modalities or some propose or offer. In that good terms, we have departed the meeting actually. So we waited the whole day thinking that the government is working on something, an offer or a proposal, something like that. But we were informed that the same old reason to form a committee, that is what the information we had received yesterday. And we said no, that is not possible. Until and unless our skill pay is implemented, we will not cooperate with this forming of this committee. Even say that with or without you, the committee is already, constituted, something like that is said. But we are not part of the committee because we flatly rejected the committee. Since last week, that we will be entering into the hunger strike. But as I have stated, on the advice and request of the NSF, we are just keeping the hunger strike in abeyance.
It's an immediate money award in news updates by the Gule side of Nagaland TV.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.